Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use a really important tool on your computer called the Snipping Tool. So as you can see, this is my desktop. I'm going to go down to the bottom left-hand corner where there's a little magnifying glass for searching, and when you click that, you're going to type in there snipping, and it'll come up. You won't have to do the whole word, Snipping Tool. So I'm going to choose Snipping Tool. Now I'm going to go to what I want to snip. So I'm going to go just to Google Chrome, and I'm going to go to the RSD website. So rsdk12.net. Oh, I guess I need to type that correctly. You're going to need to snip your teacher's picture. So you're going to go to Schools. You are going to select Russellville Junior High. Then you're going to go over here to the left to Menu and go down to Staff. Now you will go to your teacher. So you will either have me, which is Tara Hale, or Miss Wilkins, Mrs. Wilkins, which is down here in the W's, Jenny Wilkins. So when you have your teacher located and you're ready to do the snipping, down here on the bottom you'll see the little icon for the snipping tool. You want to do a new snip, and you'll kind of see your screen grays out and it gives you a little crossbar, and you're going to click and drag so that you cover the picture that you want. Now once you have that picture on your snipping tool, you'll go to Edit, you will copy it, and then wherever you want to put it, I'll just open up a Word document here to put it on. So once you have, and you'll put it on the Google slide is what you're going to be putting it on, but whatever you want to put it on, once you're there, you'll just right click and you will paste. And there's the picture. So very important tool, but very easy to use. Now I got to figure out how to stop the recording. Oh my Lanta, where is it?
Right there.
Oh, there.